Hi guys, Nathalie de Remio here, and in this video I'm going to give you a little demo of a tool that we've been testing that's called Beamer, and that will allow you to set up announcements and news inside your membership. So here I am in the Empower Me Tech Lab. That's the full-time membership you get access to with the membership launch box. And you can see here I have a what's new in the menu. Now if I click on that, you'll see that it comes up with that pop-up on the side with news and links and announcements and things like that, okay? And that's exactly what I want to show you. So let me show you how that looks. So first you have to have a Beamer account, and there is a free version. With the free version, you can't customize the color. So that's why right now it's green, okay? But if you get the paid version, then you can totally change the colors to match your branding. But basically the idea is that you would just come here and add, this is a new, okay, let's just say brand new training on Beamer inside the tutorial library. And then here you can type, excited to share with you this new tutorial, right? And then you can find out more about Beamer. I'm going to put the URL here like that, and you can have open links in a new tab. You can pin this. So here I'm marking it as new, but you have announcements, fixes, and things like that, okay? Then I'm going to click on save and publish. So here, that's where you can share about the upcoming calls, if you're doing live weekly calls, monthly calls, and things like that. Now, if I come back to my site and I refresh, that there is a new news here. So if I click here, you can see brand new training on Beamer inside the tutorial library. I could have the link inside the library, which is here, right? And here I've put the link here, okay? So that's actually a great way to let your member know about new content that's been released and things like that. So I think it's really worth testing. There are like several tools out there, but I really like this one because I like the way it shows up like this on the side. I think it's pretty cool. And I'm sure with some CSS, you can even do some extra customization here to have like a question mark or, you know, some type of logo instead of what's new. So I hope you find that useful, and I will see you next time.